Cars, they're not just about horsepower anymore, but power sources too. Traditional engines burn gasoline, diesel, biofuels, or natural gas, but then there's the hybrids like the Toyota Prius, which balance the old with the new using both internal combustion and electric motors. Next in line, plug-in hybrids. Think RAV4 plug-in, a hybrid with a rechargeable battery. Last but not least, the battery electric vehicles, fully electric, powered by rechargeable batteries. Cars like the Tesla Model S leading the charge. No pun intended. So, next time you're in the market for a new ride, remember, it's not just what's on the outside that counts, but what's under the hood too. Stay informed, stay ahead. Like and subscribe for more info.